In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add formula in Apple Notes. First, let's begin by opening the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. As you tap on the Notes icon, you will see a simple interface with your existing notes listed. This is where you can access all your notes or create new ones. Opening the Notes app is essential because it sets the stage for all the calculations and formulas you will be adding later. You'll find the app to be user-friendly, making it easy to manage your notes. Once you are in the app, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, you want to open an existing note or create a new one by tapping on New Note. If you choose to open an existing note, locate it in your list and tap on it. This allows you to add formulas to notes you've already started. If you're starting fresh, tapping on New Note opens a blank canvas for your thoughts. This flexibility is important because it enables you to insert formulas into various contexts, whether you are working on a project, homework, or just jotting down ideas. Now that you have your note open, it's time to add your math expression. Now type a math expression followed by an equal sign. For example, you might type 25 plus 75 equals. Alternatively, you can tap the Markup button and handwrite the expression if you prefer. This feature is great for those who find writing more intuitive than typing. Using the markup option makes it feel more natural and personal. It's essential to format your expression correctly, as this will allow the app to recognize it as a mathematical equation. Once you have your expression ready, you are almost there. After entering your expression, tap the equal sign and then tap Solve. This action is crucial as it prompts the app to calculate the result for you. When you tap Solve, you will see a brief moment where the app processes your equation. This means your math expression is being evaluated and the result will be generated automatically. It's a simple step that can save you time and effort. Once the calculation is complete, you can expect to see the result inserted directly into your note. The result is inserted into your note seamlessly. This means that your calculation is now a permanent part of your note. You can continue to add more notes or formulas around it without losing any data. This integration of calculations into your notes makes Apple Notes a powerful tool for both students and professionals alike. It allows you to keep your information organized and easily accessible. Additionally, you can create equations with variables such as y equals 2x plus 3. This feature is particularly useful for students or anyone dealing with algebraic expressions. You can also insert graphs directly in Notes on supported versions of iOS. This capability adds a visual element to your equations, helping to illustrate complex relationships or data. Remember, these features enhance the functionality of Apple Notes, making it more than just a simple note-taking app. With that, you are now equipped to add formulas in Apple Notes effectively. This skill is not only beneficial for personal use, but also enhances your productivity. You can manage calculations, equations, and even graphs all in one place. Enjoy experimenting with these features and see how they can aid you in your work or studies. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.